Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Matt here with Kevin, and today we're going to be doing something a little fun. What are we doing?
So essentially we're here on a piece of undisclosed property here, and we've got downrange a target at 670 yards. All right, so what we have there is essentially a 2 foot by a 4 foot target, which is pretty thin, but that's just to let us get on target if we can. And then right to the left of it, we have a full-size silhouette target, which is kind of a traditional torso-sized target. And we're going to try to hit them today.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty fair size for 670 yards. And in terms of the rifle we're using, so it's nothing too special, but of course it's my CZ457. This is actually Dory's rifle, but I put my 22-inch IBI barrel. The real magic here is in the optic setup. So I have the 55 MOA base from Triggers by Scar, and we have, what are these, Burris XTR rings?
Burris XTR rings,
yeah,
correct.
so the 55 MOA base plus the, how many MOA in the rings here?
Burris rings, with the fact that they're only spaced like 3 inches apart or so, we have about 50 MOA or so in the rings themselves.
So give or take about 100 MOA of cant built into this thing, which is just shy of, well, shy of 2 degrees, which is pretty insane. So you can really clearly see the scope cant in here. And we have the rifle roughly zeroed in for 320 yards with Eley force.
Correct.
Yeah, so a lot of elevation built into this, and hopefully we can peg that target somewhat consistently at 670 yards.
We'll see.
Yeah, sounds good.
4 feet by 2 feet.
2 feet, okay.
And it's like, I don't know, a 64th thick.
Okay, so that's our first target. If we hit it, we're going to move on to the full-size
This
zipstick.
one's got a indicator on it so that we know if we hit it. And then this is just like a full-size silhouette target. So
and it should ring nicely, so we don't need an indicator, hopefully.
And then we also, just so everyone doesn't think we're cheating, we have 2 holes in here already from like a 308 way back in the day. So
yeah, 22 is not going to go through this at 6, whatever range it is. All right, I'm going to settle the GoPro, and then we'll head back to...
this is gonna be good.
Yeah, to all the way somewhere over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somewhere over there.
There's 6 of those crossings you have to do.
1, 2, 3, yeah, there's 6.
All this to shoot over 600 yards.
This is for Rick. Today we're shooting Eley Force, known as the 338 Lapua Magnum of rimfire rifles.
Correct. He hates it because it destroys all his targets. But we chronoed this with my magnetoscope. We were zeroing it in at 300 yards, and the velocity was averaging at 1180, I believe. Yeah. And the SD wasn't bad. I think it was around 12. I mean, at 670 yards, that's bad, but we'll see what we can do.
Yeah. Basically, our wind is almost completely a headwind, so I don't even know if we're going to be thinking about wind at first.
Yeah.
And I guess we better work out the elevation. So you can fast forward this part, but basically... 10? 20?
Yeah. 6. Just put it at 26.
26.
How many miles per hour? I'm gonna say 5.
It's a 4, yeah, whatever, 5.
4 to,
it's going high.
4 to 6, 4 to 7.
26.5. Go give it a 0.5 on there. Okay, so we just worked out our dope here, our elevation. Once again, our scope was zeroed at 320 yards or so. So basically, from our 300 yard zero, which is really not normal for 22, but from our 300 yard zero, we're holding 26.5 mils.
Oh no.
Well, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
We'll put it all, we'll do the math correctly later.
26 and a half mils.
Yeah, 26 and a half.
Which is nuts.
Yeah, so we're going to see what happens.
All right.
Okay, all right. And I'm just going to keep an eye, obviously, on the field there.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm aiming, well, I'm going to try and aim for the big target first on the right. Ready?
Yep.
No. You didn't see anything, huh? No. Let me try one more time.
Oh!
Oh! Did I hit it?
You hit the ground. You didn't go high. Aim higher. Aim at the top of the plate.
Okay.
Man, I heard something.
Yeah, same.
Where are you aiming now?
That was favoring top half, but I'm going to aim at the very top of that.
You're gonna aim, because I saw a hit at the bottom.
It could have been a ricochet as well. Off the ground, I mean.
Yeah, possibly.
So my second shot was a hit?
No, I don't know if it was a hit, but
Okay.
I saw something at the bottom of the target. I saw movement,
Okay.
like a splash.
What's the wind doing? Right to left?
Hold on the right edge here. Like yeah. Hold on the right, somewhere on the right. I mean, that was like a 5-second flight time.
Yes. And then also for the sound to come back to us. Right, it's probably like a solid 6-7 second wait. I don't know if I'm low or high. I can't see splash.
No, I have no idea. Okay, so on the second hit,
Yeah.
where are we aiming?
Dead middle. Right on the middle. Maybe I'm sending him over.
Oh! Okay, it's in the grass.
Okay.
I saw the grass move. I don't know where, so work your way up.
Okay.
Half a target.
Okay.
So that was the bottom.
Yeah.
Aim center.
Okay, I'm gonna go back slightly favoring low.
Oh, okay. Full target left.
Okay.
Full target left, and it's definitely hitting the grass in the field
Before.
before.
Okay, so I'm gonna add like a lot then.
Well, let's just do it mathematically here. How much? Go from 26.5.
Yeah.
Not mathematically, but actually, like, how much more do we have until we hit the top?
That.
Oh, shit. Okay.
We're maxed out at 27 mils. 26.8.
Okay, yeah, go to 26.5. So where are we holding there? Because that was definitely short. I don't know if you're that short.
Yeah?
It's so hard to tell.
I know. Okay, well, how about this? I'll just start at the middle and go up by 1 mil increments with whatever rounds I have.
Okay, I mean, so 1 mil, 66 centimeters. So you're going up by 6 centimeters at a time.
No, way more.
No, 60 centimeters.
Yeah, 60.
60 centimeters is 2 feet. That's too much. Go up half a mil.
Okay, starting in middle.
Okay, and yeah, the wind. Yeah. You're aiming center right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going up half. Okay, so that second shot where we heard something, it must have ricocheted onto the board, right?
No, it didn't hit anything. It didn't hit the board.
What did we hear?
I think we hit wood. We heard wood.
The piece of wood the GoPro's behind.
Maybe. I mean, we're sending a lot of rounds here, so.
Impact. Yeah?
Bottom. Okay, where were you aiming?
You want to know what I was holding?
Well, no, I want to know where you were aiming. Yeah, well,
Above the berm. By about a meter. I was holding 6 mils.
No.
Yes.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hit.
Did the indicator go off?
No.
No?
Because it hit the bottom.
That was my last round.
I don't know if I'm seeing grass. Okay, make a mental snapshot of where you're aiming.
Okay, so I was holding
Like
1
how
mil.
many mils? Because you have enough. There's 15 mils in there.
Yeah, I was holding, well, not with our zoom, but I was holding 6 mils up, 1 mil to the left.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure you made an impact.
I'm gonna let me put 5 more rounds in this thing.
Okay, so if that's your target. That's your target.
Yeah.
I think you hit it right here.
So I got to hold another half mil. About. Okay.
I'm seeing a dent in the target.
Okay.
It might be.
I really hope the GoPro's still running because we have no target camera right now. I heard it though. Hit?
No, it 100% hit.
Okay.
There's no, like 100%. That was a hit.
You ready?
Yeah, same point of aim as before. Whatever you're doing, let's do that.
Impact. You hear that?
Yeah, but not on that target.
On the left one?
It hit the left target.
Okay, so I have to hold less wind.
How much were you holding?
I was holding for
Were you
windage.
holding
I was
left?
holding right above that target. So there's no windage. You don't hold for wind right now.
Yeah, you
I hit the left
hit
target.
the silhouette. There's no way that other one rang like that.
That's true. All right. Should I go for the silhouette or the...
No. Go back for that.
Okay.
Go back for the main one.
Okay.
But what were you holding? Elevation.
6.5.
Same as before?
Yeah.
Okay, so then just bring it back above that one.
Okay, I got it.
So the wind right now is flickering back and forth.
Yeah.
So we have no idea where it's so just launch it above that target. Eventually we're gonna hit. We're gonna bracket it. Oh man, I do look at the gun. The gun's visibly at an angle.
Oh, you're locked onto the target right now?
Yeah, that's perfect. More or less exactly at the elevation that's required.
Let me spot you.
Okay, what's our wind doing right now?
Or left or right?
I would still hold.
Right? Because I think the scope might be slightly, I don't know.
Yeah, it probably is.
How do I lower this? This thing? Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
See if I can get it more directly. Okay, I'm on.
Because I can't really spot anything, so I'm just zoomed out a little bit.
What are you holding? 6.5 and what for wind?
Right now 1.
I can't see anything.
Well, okay, tell you what, we can just walk closer to see how much wind do we have to be holding.
Yeah.
We walked out to the edge of this field here, which is 555 yards, and we shot the same target, and we managed to hit the right edge of that target. I don't know, maybe 5 times. So there's on the footage you'll probably see 5 hits on the right edge, which means now we roughly know what to hold for wind. So at 555 yards, we're holding about 0.7 mils off to the left, so we're probably going to hold about 1 mil or so here at 670.
More now. Look at the wind flag.
Yeah, the wind just picked up, unfortunately, but basically that gives us an idea at least.
Hey, let's show this on cameras. So the wind right now is like what, 8 miles per hour?
Yeah, it's probably like between
8 to 10 almost.
Yeah, 8, 9, 10. This is like pushing 12 almost. So
all right, so we're gonna just we tried to bracket the wind as best as we could. We'll see how this goes.
yeah, it's also changing direction left and right, but whatever. It's not ideal. We're just having fun here.
Exactly. Oh, I forgot to dial all the way up. Sorry, give me a sec.
So we got around that line. So now you're holding 6.5?
Yeah.
Good thing you found that early, because otherwise we would have been...
Yeah.
Oh, we're not hitting anything. Impact. 100%. I don't know where, but I saw it move.
Yeah.
What was that?
It was just about a 1 mil hole to the left.
1 mil hole to the left?
6.5 on the vertical, 26.5 on the scope. So
and 0 to 300 yards.
320 yards.
So whatever, we'll work that out after.
Okay,
but it's upwards of, it's about 40 mils, basically. 40 mils total. I heard something. Hit the wood.
I was aiming for the IPSC. I think I was off to the left. Impact.
It must have been. I heard something. I don't know what I'm hearing.
I think that's the board.
I hear it. Tuk tuk.
Yeah. But that board doesn't ring, remember? It just kind of sounds kind of dead. Okay, you got 3. Oh, I got 5.
Okay, we're going to keep going here. The IPSC. Impact.
Yeah.
Impact. Oh, I heard something.
I always, I know the timing of it because I hear it land. I'm not hearing a ring though. But I've heard all those shots land.
Oh, I heard that. That was a very loud hit. Oh man, we've got a lot of hits.
We got a lot of hits?
Yes.
So indicator was not working and it wasn't ringing much, but apparently we pegged it a few times.
Those are the 308?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. And 6. There's another dent in there. So that's at 500. I think it was 550. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it was that. I think that was because I called that as a 600-yard hit.
Yeah.
That's a 600-yard hit. That's a 670. That's a 600-yard hit. And then I think we only hit this once, right there. We hit it. Not very often.
Well, we were only out here for about an hour. We'll come back and try it on a better day. Huckleberry died.
Oh,
yeah.
Why? Okay, I fell to the ground, yeah.
That's fine. I'll try and tape this on next time or something because it's clearly not working.
Oh boy.
No way. So this is what Eley force looks like after impacting something at 670 yards.
Or maybe 555. Oh man. Look at that. Barely enough to mushroom them.
The velocities must be really slow when they're getting out of here. There's another one there, I think.
No, I think that was from when we did the rimfire stuff.
Oh yeah, no, you're right.
Oh! They bounce back. That's awesome. Look at all of them. That's 670 yards impacts.
So this sheet is just acting like a trampoline.
Well, you know what? We're going to be able to calculate our hits based on the
amount of bullets you find.
Bullets we find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 of these bullet impacts.
Amazing.